What's up, Road to Riches family? Today we're going to be talking about some potential short squeeze stocks. If you're new to this channel, we talk about how to make that bag in the stock market, day trading, stock updates, and more. So make sure to subscribe if you like making money in the stock market and smash that like button. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family so we can all get on the road to riches. Now, this video is for my subscribers. Y'all asked me for an analysis on ACB and TOON, which is TOON, and a potential short squeeze on both of these stocks. Now, as I mentioned in the previous videos, I like looking for the short percent on the stocks float. So TOON and ACB have about 10% of their shares short, which isn't too high, but good enough for some potential. Now, let's start off with ACB. This is a cannabis stock. Their market cap is about 200 million, so it is a micro cap. It's been on a run in the last few days of about 15% since July 26th. Now, this isn't a stock I would trade right now unless it gets about 30 million or more in value. This stock has been on the downside for a long time, and the whole cannabis sector has actually been down within the past few years. So keep that in mind. It's under the SMA and VMA on the daily chart, but this would be a good play at about 48 to 50 cents, as we see with the recent bounce from that support. But the cannabis sector has to get hot. Unless the cannabis sector gets hot, I don't really see too much of a squeeze in this stock. So that's something to watch for if the cannabis sector gets hot. I know a lot of people in that sector are waiting for cannabis to get federally legalized. Right now, it's more states and things like that controlling it, but be on the lookout for that. Now, if you look at the intraday chart, this stock barely has value, so it's not a trade for me. Anything that I would touch unless we get those factors that I just recently mentioned. And this will probably be more of a swing trade opportunity, but not much of a day trade or investment on my part. Now, the next stock is TOON. The stock market cap is at 73 million. So again, this is another micro cap. The value on this stock is kind of low, with the 10-day and 90-day average volume around 400,000. So this stock actually had recent news. Their revenue has been growing rapidly, according to this article from Raging Bull. So TOON Stock had a revenue of 75 million in the 12-month ending March 31st, 2023. Now, an analyst also set the price target at $10, which would more than double its current price. So the stock was actually around $7 at the start of this year. However, this $10 projection that we see from this analyst is a 12-month forecast. So be on the lookout for that. Even though he does have a price target of $10, that's not until about next year. Now, this stock, it is in the television business, and it is a media company. They own many different shows and cartoons. They have content that features Stan Lee, Shaq, and even Arnold Schwarzenegger. Now, let's look at the chart. This stock has a resistance value at 3 million. However, both times when we recently got over 3 million in value, the stock ended lower on both of those days. Now, the last big run was on February 14th, when the stock ran from $3.84 all the way up to $4.88. But it closed at $3.65 on that same day. Now, the value was at 5 million, almost 5 million on that day. So unless we get big volume, I don't see any short squeezes happening on any of these stocks. Value is key for supply and demand. Now, also, TOON has low volume on the intraday chart, which means it's not liquid enough to get in and out. So be careful, and I hope y'all aren't bag holding any of these stocks. But if we get value and more short interest, there could be a good short squeeze on ACB and TOON, especially if they break out at key resistance and key levels. Now, I wouldn't put a price projection on TOON. I see somebody comment that yesterday. But if this stock gets up to $3, it would be very interesting. Now, today it already had a 4% gain to about $2.40 this afternoon. So maybe we'll get more volume and sentiment soon. But this video is for my subscribers and supporters. If y'all want me to look at any other stocks and let y'all know my thoughts, feel free to comment below, and I'll try my best to get to it. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe for more free game and stock tips, and I'll see y'all in the next video.